How to use Zoos app full guide. Most people get this wrong, but the Zoos app is far more than a simple financial tracker. You won't believe how much control it gives you over your spending and saving once you know how to use it properly. Start by downloading the app and creating an account using your email or mobile number. Once logged in, link your bank accounts and credit cards. Zoos uses secure encryption to protect your data. Next, set up your spending categories. You can create custom labels like groceries, transport, and entertainment, or use the default categories. The app automatically categorizes transactions, but you can manually adjust entries for better accuracy. One of the standout features is the automatic savings goal. Tap that goal and input your target, whether it's an emergency fund, vacation, or new gadget. Zoos calculates how much you need to save each week or month and suggests a transfer from your linked account. The app also provides insights with charts and notifications. You'll see where most of your money goes and get reminders to stick to your budget. Additionally, Zoos offers bill tracking so you never miss a payment. In conclusion, using Zoos involves account linking, categorizing transactions, setting savings goals, and monitoring spending insights. Mastering these steps ensures you manage your finances efficiently and reach your goals faster.